Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery on this Polestar key fob. This looks very much like the normal Volvo key fobs, and here's what you need. One of these 2032 batteries, you can get these off Amazon, they're just a few bucks, and there's a link below in the description that'll take you straight there. You need a small flathead screwdriver like that, and then an even smaller one that's about that size. Okay, so first thing you want to do is these two halves are going to come off. This first one with the Polestar symbol, you slide this down and then slide this half off. And the back side, this little switch, you move this switch up and slide the back half off. Okay, so now you have access to the tray. Twist that to unlock. Take your small screwdriver and gently remove this cover. Okay, now I'll show you how to remove this. Right here on this side, you just want to pry out. And then put your new one back in. There's two tabs right here. Put it under those two tabs first. And then replace this back in the closed position. Give it a twist to the lock. And then to replace these, you just kind of place them right about here. And slide them in. Kind of tricky, but that's how you do it. Hope you found this helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Thanks for watching.